Good morning! I recently passed my IELTS exam and some people commented kung saan daw ako na-review because I only reviewed by myself and I used some free online resources to be able to do that. I didn't enroll to an IELTS reviewer class. All of my reviewers were from online resources lang talaga. So let me show you which website I used to do my review. First is this website. This is IELTSonlinetests.com. May mga live webinars pa for free that you could attend, like this one. This is for Academic Writing Task 2, Academic Writing Task 1, Vocabulary. You can join here for free. You'll see here, it's for free. Mga mock IELTS, andito rin. The writing exam was the skill where I got the lowest score out of all of the 4. So I could say that writing is the most challenging skill sa IELTS. The second resource that I'd like to share with you is ielts.idp.com/prepare. And you'll see here na may mga IELTS practice tests. If you want to narrow down kung ano yung gusto mong i-study, you can do so by going here. So, test type, kung ano yung test type mo, is it academic or general training? So, kunwari general training, click mo lang yan. And then for test format, are you going to take your test on paper or on computer? So, for me, on computer kasi yun. So, I selected that. And then for test skills, so kunwari gusto mo munang mag-practice one at a time. So, gusto mo muna ng listening, for example. You can click on that. And then you'll see here the different mock IELTS or IELTS practice tests for your selected skill. So, kunwari dito, IELTS listening short answer. So, just click the Access Now button on a new tab para mabalikan mo tong page na to. And then when you go to the actual mock test tab, you'll be able to see it here and you'll see the instructions also na you'll be listening to an audio clip during this test and you will not be permitted to pause or rewind the audio while answering the question. So when you play this...
Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for giving me your time today. Firstly, I'd like to talk to you about a career in the fashion industry, then about the kind of people we're looking for at Pacific Clothing, and finally, I'd like to tell you what we offer you if you come to work for us. All kinds of people work in a wide range of jobs in the clothing industry, from drivers to office workers and artists. At the moment, we're looking to recruit new staff from several professions. Right now, we're on the lookout for scientists, particularly to work with the dyes we use to colour fabrics. And to design the patterns and choose the colours which are going to appeal to consumers, we have a strong design team. We're not looking for any new designers at present, but vacancies may arise in future. However, at the moment, we are looking for engineers to work in the production department. Just like any company, we too need practically minded people to make sure that we're not spending more than we're earning. So, we're currently recruiting accountants. They're not usually associated with fashion, but let me tell you,
That's exactly how it goes during your IELTS test. May instruction dito. Answer the questions and use one word only for each answer. You will be listening back to what the audio was talking about, and then you'll have to list it down. Kasi parang the audio will confuse you somehow. Like yung sinabi niya kanina na she has a design team daw, pero she's not looking for a new member. However, she needs an engineer or she needs engineers. So you have to listen to make sure na kung ano yung sinasabi niya, yun yung kailangan yung i-answer dito. Kasi that's really how it will go for all of the tests. May mga confusing talaga. So just go through all of these kung gusto nyo, and then change din na lang yung test skill dito kung saan na area kayo gusto mag-practice next, like writing, reading, listening, speaking. The next resource that I like to share with you is testglider.com. You'll see here na may mga mock tests here, so just make sure that you selected IELTS dito sa taas. If ito yung mga tests nyo, like PTE, TOEFL, available din dyan. But IELTS, for example, ang isa-select natin, tapos go to mock tests. You'll be redirected to this page. Tapos scroll down nyo lang. Ito kasi yung mga mock tests sa baba. Tapos may makikita kayo dito like for avocado, it's free. The rest are not. However, may free trial. So if you want to sign up for that, then go ahead and do so. But if you really want to enroll for the rest, paid subscription na yan. So let's take the free version for example. And then, you'll see here ba na may mga full tests, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So, dito ako sa speaking nag-practice nun because it will actually capture your audio, tatranscribe nila yan, and this website will generate a sample grade according sa performance mo. So, nung nag-test ako dito, I was given a score of 7. Dito ko din nakita yung format ng speaking. There are 3 different parts in speaking. The first part will be questions about yourself. Where is your hometown? Tell me something about yourself, mga ganun. Tapos the second part of the speaking test will be, you will be given a certain topic and 3 bullet points. So you have to talk about your topic and address those bullet points. And you'll be given 1 minute to write down your answer. So since 1 minute is too short, yung isusulat mo lang dapat will be like the keywords of what you want to say para organize yung thoughts ng pagkasabi mo, so it will be cohesive because that's the part of your grading sa speaking test. You have to be cohesive. You need to have grammatical range and mga connective words. So if you want to use those, so for me, yung sinulot ko like otherwise, tapos main point, ganun. Nevertheless, tapos yung main point ko para makita ko lang siya kasi it will be very, very short time lang for you to write. After the 1 minute of you writing down your answers, you will be given 1 to 2 minutes for you to actually answer and speak your answer. So you will be talking for like 1 to 2 minutes. And then, kung hindi mo matapos, like for me, I wasn't able to finish what I was talking about kasi sumobra na ako sa 2 minutes. The examiner will cut you off and say like, thank you, ganun, kahit hindi ka pa tapos. So you know that the time is over na. And then the third part of the speaking test will be questions or follow-up questions about your answers sa second part of the test. For me, and in my case, parang tapos na siya mag-ask ng questions about my answer. So she asked me again about some stuff according naman sa work. So guys, for this resource, yung sa Test Glider and dito sa IELTSonlinetests.com, you need to create your own account para maka-access ka dito sa mga resources na to. So yun lang, those are everything that I'd like to share with you guys. Good luck sa inyong IELTS exam!